yun guys, no, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. For today's video guys, tuturuan ko guys kung paano kayo kumita sa site na to guys. Tuturo sa inyo guys kung paano kayo mag sign up. Lagay nyo guys yung invitation code, mobile phone, login password, security password, then yung verification na number, then ilalagay sa verification code guys. Pagkatapos nyo guys, click nyo po yung register guys. So yun guys, no, may announcement si tronbza.com. Tron BZA will be launched on Google Play Store soon. 2002, March 17. Telegram group, exchange group. Say goodbye to the troubles of the epidemic. To truly achieve stable daily income at home, please believe that the www.tronbza.com group will always exist. New and old user can rest assured that this site will never hurt any customer. The income period is 1 year. Daily withdrawal arrive at irregular times. Google Play, upcoming soon. Stay tuned. tronbza.com. If you have any question during use, please contact the official customer service for consultation. Tron BZA platform, upcoming soon to Google Play Store. Company white paper link, official Telegram customer service. Refer our friends, you invite new user to recharge 40% for first level user, 7% for second level user, and 3% for the third level user. Invite A to deposit 10,000 TRX to get 1 TRX. A invites B, deposit 10,000 TRX to get 700 TRX. B invites C, 10,000 TRX to get 300 TRX. Share on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and get great bonuses customer service online. 12 to 24 hours ET. We try to challenge ourselves with positivity that we can handle the investment value of the Tron BZA business is considerable. Look, in terms of market capitalization, Tron ranks among the top 10 in the world. It's becoming one of the K-Coins BZA made by Tron Foundation. This is what people around the world are doing. So yun guys, no, nandito ko sa ating site na tronbza.com. Meron tayong total balance na 5,000 TRX. So yun guys, na after dito guys, no, magtutungo tayo sa ating trade. Trading profit, 24 hours settlement, plus 5% cloud mining is working guys. So after guys, natin sa trade guys, no, punta tayo sa ating invest. Products, TRX 7 days plan only once, 2%, cycle 7 days. TRX 30 days investment project, daily rate 6%, cycle 30 days. TRX 12 coin mining pool project, daily rate 12%, cycle 60 days. TRX 90 days investment project, daily rate 15%, cycle 90 days. TRX 180 days investment project, daily rate 90%, cycle 180 days. Blockchain 3.0 Tron mining investment project, 30%, cycle 360 days. So yun guys, after natin sa invest guys, no, magtutungo tayo sa ating share guys. Ayun guys, no, nakalagay dito guys, share your referral link and start earning. So yun guys, nagkakopy natin yung link dito guys na referral para ma-share natin sa ating mga friends at maka-earn tayo ng mga rewards. I-share natin guys sa Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Messenger guys para maka-earn tayo ng maraming rewards. So after nyan guys, no, magtutungo tayo sa ating mine. So yun guys, no, meron tayong invitation code dito guys na 89208. TRX total balance is 5,000. TRX deposit quantity 0. Recharge 5 TRX to activate the account, and accumulative recharge 200 TRX can withdraw money as a gift account. So yun guys, no, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano mag-deposit. Basic account and investment account. There are two modes of investment. Number 1 is recharge and transfer to the basic account and receive the income according to the Singapore time zone. After 24 hours every day. Number 2, when the recharge is transferred into the investment account, you can receive the income according to the different cycle and return the principal income when due. The tips is, before investing, please choose a basic account or invest account according to your investment needs. Please wait for the arrival of the account before recharging, which is a problem. So yun guys, tuturuan ko guys kung paano tayo mag-withdraw sa ating basic account guys. So yun guys, nandito nga tayo sa ating basic account guys, no? TRX TRC20. Copy natin yung link guys. After lang makopy natin yung link guys, magtutungo tayo sa ating Binance. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa ating Binance guys, no? So paano makabata yung mga kawid dito guys? Magtutungo tayo sa ating wallets. Meron 3 types dito guys, ang deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So guys, click natin itong withdraw guys. Click natin TRX, send via crypto to network. Then guys, long press natin dito yung link na galing sa ating site. So ito guys yung amount na i-withdraw natin guys. Ito yung check, then click po natin yung withdrawal. Confirm. So in guys, no, meron pong verification dito guys, ang mag-send sa ating number code. Then yung code will be sent to our Gmail guys. So guys, after nyan guys, i-click natin tong dalawang send code. So yun guys, nakuha na natin guys yung code natin sa number at Gmail natin guys, no? I-fill up na po natin dyan, then i-click po natin submit guys. So yun guys, request submitted guys, no? Napaka-legit talaga ng apps natin guys. Ano po bang hinihintay nyo guys? Mag-sign up na kayo guys at mag-invest na po kayo. At don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kasi lahat ng lalabas ko ng mga video.